Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log into Honeydue application. To log into your Honeydue account using the Honeydue mobile application is an easy and a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, tap open the Honeydue app from your app drawer and make sure to end up in this main homepage. From the main interface, to log into your existing account, tap the login button, which should appear at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on login, it'll prompt you to enter your email associated with Honeydue. Type in your email address in the text box and tap on login. On the next page, it'll ask you to check your email inbox to continue logging into the account. Simply go ahead and open up your email app and you'll receive a login email. Simply go ahead and open up your email and then click on the login button, and then simply click on the login link or enter the 6-digit code that you receive and tap on confirm. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log yourself into your Honeydue account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.